Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, let's talk about how to increase your credit limit safely with Brigt. Raising your credit limit can boost your score by lowering your credit utilization, but timing and strategy matters, and Brigt helps you to get it right. First, Brigt monitors your payment history and credit habits to let you know when you are in a strong position to request a limit increase. You'll get a step-by-step guide on how to request it, whether through your credit card issuer's app, the website, or by phone, along with suggested wordings to improve your chances. Bright also helps you understand the risk. It reminds you to avoid raising your spendings just because your limit goes up, so that you stay on track. When done right, a higher limit means better credit utilization and a healthier score, and Bright ensures that you do it in the smart way. And that's pretty much it for the video guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and ring that notification bell so you never miss another update in the future. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.